This is the brain.
Cingulate gyrus. Corpus callosum. Septum pellucidum. Fornix.
This is the epithalamus. This is the thalamus.
This is the hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus. It's triangle.
It gets confusing because on some of the models the optic nerve starts looking like the pituitary.
Yeah.
Some of those.
Yeah,
so
this is
really
the optic chiasma though.
On this one, this would be
pituitary.
Pituitary. And the very end right here is the pineal gland.
Yeah, right here is the pineal gland as well.
Where's the this gland on here? This?
Pituitary gland. Yeah, this is.
No, not the gland. I'm sorry, but this thing.
The optic chiasma is this.
Here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and this is optic nerve number 2. Or yeah, 2. So, and then you have this is the interthalamic adhesion right here.
I thought that's just where they come together.
It is.
Yeah,
it's called the adhesion.
Yeah. Okay. And then this is your corpus quadrigemina, superior, inferior colliculi.
These little
superior
dots.
deals with the eyes, inferior deals with.
These yellow dots right here are commissures.
Anterior commissure, and
posterior
posterior.
commissure.
Okay, and what's this?
That's a cerebral aqueduct.
And this is the
fourth ventricle, which leads to the central canal.
Okay.
This whole section right here is the pons.
And what is this?
Mammillary body.
Mammillary body. Fourth ventricle. This is the cerebellum.
This white stuff is the arbor vitae.
Yeah, the one I got wrong. So mad about that, I knew it.
This is the midbrain.
You can see the cerebral peduncle right here.
And you can see it right here as well.
And that's the olive on the side.
The olive's right here. It's part of the medulla. And when this is together, these are pyramids, I believe, in the desiccation of pyramids.
Desiccation of pyramids. Okay.
Well,
nerves. You want your nerves?
Yeah.
You just have to know that it occurs there. It's not
going to ready?
Point to something.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? 1, which is olfactory. 2, optic. 3 is in there is ocular motor. 4
trochlear.
Wraps around. Okay. 5.
Trigeminal. It has 3 branches.
It's a big bump. See it? 6.
Abducens.
7.
Facial.
8.
Vestibular. Cochlear.
9.
Glotopharyngeal.
10. Vagus. 11.
Accessory.
12.
Hypoglossal.
Do it one more time from the beginning.
1.
Ocular.
Olfactory. 2. Optic. 3.
Ocular motor.
Then you gotta come around here. It wraps around as 4.
Trochlear.
5.
Trigeminal.
6.
Abducens.
7.
Facial.
8.
Vestibular. Cochlear.
9.
Glossopharyngeal.
10. Vagus. 11.
Accessory.
Then you gotta come back here to 12.
Hypoglossal.
Which is by the olive.
What's these 2 things?
Those, don't worry about it.
Okay, do we have another model to do those nerves on?
Yeah, right here. She likes this model.
This green one, this green section right here, this is the amygdala.
Huh?
The amygdala.
Amygdala.
It's part of the limbic system.
Amygdala.
Yeah, amygdala.
Yeah, because she told us that. I asked her earlier. This is the amygdala,
Where's
right?
one of those pink things?
What's it look like on something else?
This is the only one you can see it on, I think.
Oh, okay.
Here, I'll try and do it on this one.
Let's do it on this one.
We just did it on this one. Alright, we can try and do it on this one.
Will you use this one for the nerves? Come on.
It's not, I mean,
alright,
we can figure it out.
Okay.
You can't, like... Okay. So 1 would be up here because it's the olfactory. 2 is the optic. Right? 3 is the ocular motor. 4, see how it wraps around? It's a trochlear.
Yeah, I can see that good.
Okay, and 5 is always going to be big. What's 5? Trigeminal?
Okay.
I can't spot them off my head, so 6.
6 is what?
I don't know, I need to...
Hey guys, We need your help. 6.
Oh, 6 is abducens, isn't it?
7.
Vestibular cochlear. Vestibular cochlear.
8.
And then glossopharyngeal. No, facial.
See, that's why
Facial.
I just do it that and I write it down
Messed it up.
because I can't do it when
Here.
I'm looking on this too. Here we go. Alright, so 1 is up here. 2, 3,
Oculomotor.
4,
Trochlear.
5,
Trigeminal.
6,
Abducens.
7,
Facial.
8,
Vestibular cochlear.
9,
Glossopharyngeal.
10,
Vagus.
11,
Accessory.
12.
Hypoglossal.
Glossal.
Okay.
Just remember, you always have to come back to 12 to the hour.
Right.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. What else with the brain?
She said this was the amygdala.
Do you see like the differences in here though?
Mhm.
This is the pons.
Mhm.
This is what? Mammillary body. Cingulate gyrus, corpus callosum, septum pellucidum, fornix. Thalamus, epithalamus, hypothalamus, intrathalamic adhesion. Anterior commissure, there's a posterior commissure back here as well. This is going to be the pons, optic chiasma. Now where would the pituitary would hang down? This is the corpus genius, whatever it is, you know, the superior inferior colliculi. This is the cerebral aqueduct to the fourth ventricle to the cerebral canal. Cerebellum, arbor vitae. Okay?
Let's go over this real quick.
These are your ventricles. So these are going to be your lateral ventricles. This is your third ventricle. Right here, the beak.
Right.
Okay? This is going to be your fourth ventricle right here. These are your choroid plexus.
I can't see those.
The pink.
Okay.
This is the ventricular foramen, foramen Monroe.
Okay.
Okay?
And there's one more. What's this? There's one more thing.
Well, you have the cerebral aqueduct
Yeah.
and the central aqueduct.
Interventricular foramen.
Point to
Which
those.
is also the foramen of
Monroe.
Point to the other.
This is the cerebral aqueduct, cerebral canal.
Like, all those little things get
Okay.
Cerebral canal is where?
Cerebral canal goes all the way down.
Mammillary, pituitary, sometimes
Okay.
looking at the optic chiasma,
Lateral,
might be the amygdala.
third ventricle. Fourth ventricle. And the pink are choroid plexus.
Alright.
This is the foramen of Monroe, or ventricular foramen.
Alright.